Oh. Oh, hello. Not a very good recorder, are you?
Shut up.
Like that, we've got one light. She's a bit wet. But, we'll be out camping Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. We'll be rolling cameras, I think, most of the time at this stage.
Freezing cold weather.
It'll be alright.
I won't be alright.
But, tell them what you've done, Jesse.
Clean.
Clean, done what else? Cleans, upgraded
Yeah.
sway
upgraded
bars
bars.
to the big 40mm ones, new bushes. What else, Nate? Lean forward, have a chat, mate.
Sway bars, the things.
Learn some new things.
Yep.
Yeah.
Put things next to the tires.
Hey?
Put things next to the tires.
No, it's not about that, mate. It's not about that at all. It's learning. He's done well. Bit of water here, right? So I reckon we'll do a rundown on the rig soon. Go through what we've done and what we're going to do and what. Oh, this is clay. What's going to happen? But a rabbit.
She's the baby. No, Dad. Ashley, Dad. No. Oh my God.
Go.
Hey!
Oh my God.
Woo! That was cool.
And the rabbit.
I don't know, mate. In the bush. Are you more worried about the rabbit than what we just drove through? Are you serious?
No.
The name was Bill too. The rabbit's name was Bill.
Bill.
Bill Cosby.
Oh, mate. But yeah, we've got a few more things coming from Superior Engineering next week. We're going to get all that done. Yeah. Bit
Yeah.
of clay stuff here.
Don't do that ever again, Luke.
Why not?
Because you don't know where you're going.
Oh, I did, because there was nothing coming and there was water in the middle of the road. You with a daddy now? Oh, now we're only in 4th gear doing 30 k's an hour.
That sucks.
Well, it's not, because it's like ice. Do you want to drive? Because we are slipping and all that. So
Yeah,
it's
I'll
going to get
drive.
worse. It's going to get worse, and the worst part is we'll drift straight out to the scrub.
Oh, that sounds like.
Hey,
that sounds
cool.
like
You
fun.
just screamed about going for a bit of water.
Oh my God! Oh my God, Dad.
Hey, oh dear.
Let's hope no one follows the tracks.
Wonder. Well, that went really weird, really quick. Hey, Crutch dog. You need to bring all your recovery gear when you come up. If this road's like that, the road we're going to be going on, oh dear, we're in for a good time and a late night and some dirty clothes, I think. So bring your Ugg boots. Because we're coming home. I can't wait to pull up somewhere and to see the mud all over this car. Hey?
Literally, no.
Yeah.
Yeah. Literally.
Come on, have a chat now. What's the plans for the full drive, you reckon? What's next? What are we doing next? Have a chat, mate. This is what it, hey? wrapping. No, we're not wrapping. We're going to spray it, but that's probably last on our list. We've got new number plates coming.
For what?
This, which we will reveal on one of these. We won't say what they are at the moment, but they're nice ones. I think we've got more lights. So we've got them more lights coming that we're putting underneath for better night stuff like this. Oh no.
No.
Oh, it's not no. It's not yes. It's hold on. Woo! Thank Jesus Christ for buddies.
Oh my god.
Oh dear. It's slippery out here, bros. Oh, now.
Yeah.
So, yes. Probably more. Yeah, we've got lights coming. We're going to put the ones that are underneath on the side, on the passenger side. We've got the 270 awning to go on. A couple of new other little features. Apart from that, see you next time. Bye. Say bye.